In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ready-made templates on DocuSign. So if you ever want to create an agreement real quick and want to just use a template that is there, just scroll down a bit and you'll find browse all templates. Click on that. Here you'll be able to find all templates. You have starter templates, you have shared templates with me, but if you want some of the ready-made ones, click on all templates and here you'll be able to find all of them. So here you will not see the template ready right here. Just click on browse starter templates and you'll find all of these templates that you can choose from. Simply find the template that you want to use and you can go ahead and just click on the template and click on add selected at the bottom right. You'll be taken into the section where you can edit the template itself. So as you can see here, I can click on view the template and I can see what is there, and scroll down a bit and you can add recipients and all those good stuff. When you click on next, you have the option to basically edit the template. Let me just fill in the details and show you that I can quickly edit the template. Once I'm ready, here you can type whatever it is. I'm gonna just type something. Click on next, and it's gonna take you into where you can edit the templates for more details. So click on got it. Here you'll be able to edit whichever part of the template that you need to. You can always go ahead and edit these templates, right? So you have actions on the upper right. You can do quite a lot. You can edit messages and all of those different stuff. You can do basically everything that you need with a template section right here. But that's it. Once you're ready, you click on send, and that's all you can use templates on DocuSign. Very easy and very simple, guys.